On this episode, I'm going to follow up on the event that was coming up. Toyo Tires is hosting the Shutter Space event in Costa Mesa. In preparation for the event, I decided to clean both my cars because I wasn't sure which one I wanted to bring. This event only happens once a year, so I always look forward to it. This will be my second year attending, and one of the things I look forward to is getting together with my friends, because one of the fun parts is being able to cruise down together and also to be able to see the cars at the actual event.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me, ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can, just tell me that I can, just tell me that I can, just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement?
Can't
My three favorite cars at this event, I would say, as far as exotics, was, I believe it was Bowden Auto House's Lamborghini Huracan STO. Surprisingly, it was parked a couple spaces next to my car. I didn't notice it because he probably came in after me. Another car that caught my eye is the new BMW M3. It was coming in, it had a really strong presence, and so I got some video and pictures of the car. And so that was one of my favorites as well. And then maybe for JDM, there was a blue Nissan 300ZX, the Z32. I believe he had an RB26 motor in there. It definitely stood out when I saw the big turbo and the Skyline motor that he swapped into his car. That's going to do it for today's episode. Thanks for joining. Please press down on that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. And